Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I did arms exercises and it's hurting so much right now, but don't you guys worry. I will do what I got to do. You guys love my baggy jeans or mom jeans a lot, and to be very honest, even I love them. I mean, I'm obsessed with them at this point, to that level that I don't feel like wearing any other different kind of or any other different style of jeans at all. I mean, mom jeans or baggy jeans are just so comfortable. I just love wearing them all the time. So yeah, you guessed it right. Today's video is about how you can style your baggy jeans, or basically how I've been wearing my baggy jeans recently. I know that you guys have already seen my jeans in so many of my other videos as well, but this time I've tried to create, something different and something unique. I've tried to experiment as well with my styling as well, so I hope that this sort of help you create more looks if you have, so let's get started. Arey yaar, stay right there please. Okay guys, okay, as I was saying, that with experimentation, it does not always mean that you always have to style in a very quirky manner or out of the box jaake if you are doing something, then only it counts as something experimental. No. Okay, so for my first look, what I have done is that I have experimented with color. Like, I have paired this huge oversized neon t-shirt, which I stole from my boyfriend's wardrobe, of course, and I just styled it with my baggy jeans. Now baggy jeans are already loose, so it doesn't always necessarily important कि तुम ऊपर कुछ tight fitted ही पहनो. No, you can create an oversized look as a whole, and it looks so decent and so comfortable and so casual at the same time, considering it's just a t-shirt and jeans look. Even though I tried to experiment with the color from the top area, I also added few of the jewelry, like golden statement jewelry, and I also paired it with black boots. And for the hat, okay, I have this whole weird story. I know these kind of bucket hats are so popular these days, but this is like way old. ये मेरे पास बहुत पहले से है, when I was like in 7th or 8th standard. Can you imagine? And do you know from where I got this? Not from a mall, not from any fancy store. It was from a dhaba. I don't know what was up with me. I was out there with my family, we were just having dinner, and मुझे ऐसे store पे दिखा, ऐसे वहाँ पे बहुत सारे shops होते हैं, and I was like, yeah, this looks fun, and I just got it, and it was just in my closet the whole time. उसके बाद मैंने उसे बाहर ही नहीं निकाला, and this year I was like, okay, I have it, let's experiment. And I was already seeing so many people creating so many different looks on the Instagram as well, so that sort of gave me motivation to style it as well. So yeah, that's what I did here. Also guys, today's video is possible by the Moms Co. Now, one thing which almost everyone of us face, including me standing right over here, is our never-ending hair problems, be it hair fall, hair damage, even hair thinning, to the point that we end up losing our confidence. Yeah, you guys know that how much I style my hair almost on everyday basis, for my videos and everything, and a lot of heat goes into styling them, and that's why it's important to take care of your hair from roots itself. So to give them nourishment from within and make them stronger, I have received a natural hair strengthening oil from the Moms Co to try out for you guys. Now it has all the natural ingredients like amla, bhringraj and coffee oil. तुम्हें पता ही है कि amla is so good for your hair. It sort of nourishes your hair from the root and helps strengthen your hair as well. Bhringraj is the king of herbs, which improves blood circulation, that promotes hair growth. And lastly, coffee oil has caffeine, which stimulates hair follicles, providing structure and strength to your hair. So basically you're getting triple nourishment, triple strength. It's very easy to use as well. So just apply the oil by doing 4 sections of your hair, and you don't have to be very professional while doing it. You can even use your fingers to make the partitions, okay? And apply it directly by palm. Massage a bit for few minutes, and for deeper concentration, use a hot towel. तुम इसे easily हफ्ते में 2-3 बार use कर सकते हो, and it's the only oil in India which is tested to make your hair stronger by 77%, hence reducing hair fall, hair breakage, hair thinning. And the best part is that their products are free from SLS, paraben or any toxins or harmful chemicals which might damage your hair, and I'm linking it down for you guys to check out. Okay guys, so for the next look, I'm just wearing a kimono, and uske andar I'm wearing a tank top, or you can just wear any crop top, or जो भी ऐसे थोड़ा revealing top होता है ना, तो उसको थोड़ा cover up करने के लिए you can wear any jacket or any kimono. And this is like the most favorite kimono which I have right now. Like ये मेरा बहुत ही ज़्यादा favorite वाला है, and I think I have shown you this one in my previous video as well, so I will try to find it again and link it down for you guys. And yeah, I just love anything summery and comfortable. Like मुझे कैसे भी उसमें ना style करा दो, and I'll be just fine. तो कॉलेज टाइम पे ना आई यूज टू जस्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट लाइक दिस ओनली. पता नहीं मेरा कहाँ दिमाग चलता था. सो आई वुड जस्ट pick anything, just mix match कुछ भी उठा के and would just sort of create a look, and that's how I started my blog as well. So that's kind of helping me right now as well, and that's what I exactly thought while creating this look. So I was like, okay, I want to look, you know, good, and maybe I'm going outside, maybe for college या फिर ऐसी shopping करने के लिए, but I also want to, you know, cover myself up because it's not only about revealing clothes, it's also about कि, you know, धूप बहुत ज़्यादा है. So that's sort of helping me out in this as well. Alright guys, so next I created my the most favorite denim on denim look, and I guess ये वाले looks ऐसे होते हैं जो कि बहुत ही easily आप recreate भी कर सकते हो घर पे. So instead of wearing denim jacket, I mean I am wearing a denim jacket but in a different style. So this is a sleeveless denim jacket, and I think ये वाला style बहुत ही popular था बहुत पहले, like पुराने time पे, and this is sort of back again. And अगर कोई भी style back नहीं होता, it's still okay, you can wear them if you're, you know, styling it in your own manner, it's totally fine. And inside the denim jacket I'm just wearing a basic black t-shirt, and that also kind of थोड़ा सा ऐसे contrast दे रहा है मेरे denim on denim look के बीच में, which is great. And मैंने हाथ में थोड़ा band and थोड़ी accessorization भी की है, so that it, you know, gives you more of punk, cool, rock, और थोड़ा सा ऐसे tomboyish look बनाने के लिए, which is so cool because again if you just look at it, this is just way too comfortable and you can just wear it anywhere. So guys, next I'm styling a shrug with my baggy jeans. Now you guys must be thinking it looks sort of like fall winter wala style, and the reason why I included this in today's video is because थोड़े time में ही ऐसे transition period आने वाला है in which you can neither wear your sweaters or jackets and nor wear just a basic patla cotton wala t-shirt. So this is just perfect for that time, and yeah, again it's very relaxed and, you know, comfortable. It's not very tight fitted, it's slightly loose, which is the best. It sort of just makes you more cozy and comfortable, makes you just want to hug yourself पूरे दिन. I don't know what's wrong. Anyway, I just start wearing these type of shrugs और cardigans बहुत पहले, like जब वो ट्रांजिशन पीरियड होने वाला होता है ना, उससे भी थोड़े से पहले, बिकॉज मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है. मेरी इंस्टाग्राम फोटोज देख के लगता नहीं होगा, बट दैट्स एक्चुअली वेरी ट्रू. So next I have styled a tank top with my baggy jeans. Now the reason why I chose this tank top is because I have created like many ill-fitted and थोड़े से loose वाले outfits, but I wanted to create this tight-fitted ऊपर से and नीचे loose thing happening, and it looks way too cool and chic and elegant and so many other good things. I just love this kind of outfit a lot. Very Pinteresty and very elegant looking, like if you're going for an event or for shopping or, you know, for a date or something. Also, this is just perfect. I love how you can experiment with different necklines also, like you can go for halter necks or, you know, anything fun or statement sleeves, anything, and you'll be just good to go. Yeah, I finally used this word, मुझे use करना था. And I'm also wearing these tiny red sunglasses which were way too popular. Like one day I was just scrolling through Pinterest and I just impulsively bought them online and फिर मैंने इसे रख दिया. Now these are the type of things which we get, which we buy online, and we just store them ऐसे संभाल के, and then slowly we start using it, and then we become so obsessed with it that you just style it with everything. And these kind of things are very classic as well. I mean, you can just wear them with anything, style them with anything, wear them anywhere. I mean, it's just perfect. So guys, for my next look, I'm just wearing a blazer on top of the same set which I just showed you. Now, first of all, look at the color of the blazer. Oh my god, it's just so pretty, and it's very appropriate for summers as well. And it is a bit cinching, you know, from a waist. It's sort of like a peplum blazer, which is very appropriate because that sort of gives you a slimming effect as well. For example, you're out there with your friends or family having a very nice time, and probably let's just assume that you're wearing a basic t-shirt and jeans look, and you have to attend a very important meeting or an event later on. So just carry a blazer along with you, and you can just wear it on top of your basic look, and automatically you will see that your whole look is changed 360 degrees, like ekdam se spontaneously, and you will feel a lot more confident as well. I mean, I don't know what's up with blazers. The moment you just wear it, even if with basics of the outfit, you will see the confidence it gives you. And yeah, you can also carry the perfect pair of heels or any shoes you're comfortable in, and maybe a handbag also, and that's it. And lastly, you can create this very easy breezy summery look. You can just pair any kurta on top of your jeans, and that's it. You're just ready. So here I'm just wearing my very favorite white gota patti kurta and उसके front में ना थोड़ा सा slit है, which I love the most because उससे थोड़ा सा ना jeans दिख रहा है अच्छे से. So yeah, that's good. And I've styled it with my Kolhapuri flats which my brother gifted me. I don't know कहाँ से लेकर आया था, but anyway, yeah, that's very appropriate for summers and you'll be more comfortable that way. And yeah, you can just accessorize it in your own way, make it your own, make it very fun, quirky. You can do so many different things, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope that the outfits which I created, you sort of liked them, because yeah, I'm also enjoying making styling videos right now. And if you guys have any other suggestions, let me know and I'll definitely work on them. But don't worry, और different types वाली videos भी आने वाली है, like photography videos, editing videos, and so many other things are still going to happen. So don't worry. And guys, as I told you that I have already linked the Momsco hair oil in description box, and even though the brand is running their launch offer discounts, I managed to get an extra 20% off for you guys, and I'm mentioning the coupon code here and in description box again. And I would recommend you guys to use it at least once, because even I tried it and I'm already loving the hair texture. And hair coloring के बाद थोड़ा सा damage and hair fall का भी problem होता है, which I'm not facing anymore. So yeah, do check that out. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. I promise मैं इसे याद कर लूँगी next video तक. Bye.